Express Employment Professionals of Grand Rapids, Michigan has been in business for 21 years. Our goal is to help people be successful and to help companies be healthy and sustainable. We really saw the need for our clients to really help them to be able to engage and retain their employees at a higher level. We have 4 divisions that we serve our clients with placement. Our 5th division is our training division.
What we really look for in leadership is addressing some of the challenges that we hear all the time from companies. 2 of the biggest ones, the fact that leaders really influence retention and engagement, which also feeds back into the whole healthiness of an organization.
Well, I learned about the purpose-driven leadership training when Lorraine stopped into our office one day and ended up sitting and chatting for probably a good hour about training and developing employees and all the benefits to the training. After Matt and I attended, we started sending teams of 2, and at this time we've gone down through the supervisor level, and we look forward to just pushing it down as far as we can so that we can just have a cohesive team with the same skill set to build on.
I always pictured myself as a good listener, but then when you realize that you're not really keying in on what they're saying and you're losing like half of what they're even talking about, you think you're pretty self-aware of things that are going on with you. You just take some questionnaires and do some scoring, and you're like, okay, yes, I'm self-aware, but my self-management's way down on the scale. I know what I need to work on, but I'm not working on it.
Through the Gallup poll, we know that the number one reason why somebody stays or leaves is the relationship that they have with their immediate supervisor. We're training people, leaders at all levels, whether it's blueprint reading, lean manufacturing, project management. We're looking at all different angles to see how can we set up that leader for success.
I kind of knew my own personality, but then again, seeing it on paper, it really made me understand how I see people and how they see me, and communicating with others, and understanding how to communicate with them.
I think anytime you are dealing with training that's improving the way you see people, communicate with people, and understand people, it's going to help inside of work and outside. It just helps further your ability to know how to handle them and how to react or not react.
Our goal is really to make sure that when somebody has gone through any of our training programs, that they are equipped to be able to really use the tools and techniques that they've learned in training and really implement it back in their position, in their department, so that they're really making some transformation to others as well as themselves.
A company that chooses to invest in their employees receives better results. We are so excited to be able to offer that and add value to our clients so we can continue to find them talent, yes, but we can also offer them the value of training so that they can be sustainable for the future.